So, long hair FUE, it seems to be quite the rage these days. Now, this is a technique I first developed in 2003, so it's nothing new to me. I'll tell you why I'm not a huge fan of it. First, most people who harvest grafts don't really do a good job to begin with. And so when they use a punch to harvest the graft without first trimming the hair, they're going to have a lot more follicle transection. They don't own the equipment I have. They don't make instruments, so they don't really understand them. And the people who copy my instruments don't really understand how to copy them properly. So the bottom line is, long hair FUE is quite easy to perform. When you put the graft in, you immediately have long hair. You get a pretty look, which is the way Marcelo Pichon, Dr. Pichon from Sao Paulo, Brazil, described it. But 2 weeks after you perform the procedure, the hair is going to fall out of the grafts. So, in other words, you had no hair, you come in, you leave with hair, and then 2 weeks later, all that hair falls out. So there are a lot of disadvantages. You also have to be very careful afterwards how you comb and style the hair, that you don't pull the grafts out. So you got to be real careful with combing your hair. But each day that becomes less of a risk. So the long hair FUE, easy to perform with my PCID and my 0T punches. It's a fantastic procedure. You just have to know how to perform the settings on the PCID so that you get beautiful grafts without cutting the hair. As long as you know the right settings, you can perform the procedure with the PCID and the 0T punches.
ForHair is run by Dr. Cole with 30 years of hair restoration experience, and we offer the most cutting-edge technology available. In fact, the ForHair Enterprise sub-company Cole Instruments manufactures custom-made tools and automated tools for hair restoration physicians all over the world. Our quality, expertise, and skills are superior to other clinics. Our reputation and results are the best in the world. It's time to restore your hair. It's time to choose ForHair.
We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications of ForHair's video uploads. For online consultation, click on the link on the screen or in the video description.